Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy the SUED token, crypto coin. As you can see, this token is available in this screener. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, do your own research. Now, as you can see, you can check their website, their X account. Now, as you can see, this icon is mean that your investment is safe and the total locked liquidity is 100%. Now, as you can see, this token is under Solana network, so I prefer to use Phantom Wallet to buy this kind of tokens though. So first of all, copy the token address and go to your Phantom Wallet. Now after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now from here, tap on or click on this and paste this wallet address. So if you do this, now you save your money and you can't lose them because you select the right token. Now after you select it, now here enter how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Make sure to select the providers from here. I prefer Jupiter. Now after you tie or click on swap, they will redirect you to Jupiter to connect it to Phantom Wallet to complete the buying transaction or buying process, sorry. So this is how to buy the SUED token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.